Back in this video, I'll be solving Leetcode problem 138, copy list with random pointer. A linked list of length 10 is given such that each node contains an additional random pointer which could point to any node in the list or null. Remember, if there are two nodes, x and y random choice, or x random is y, and then for okay. Well, nodes is, I'll use a set, and so current is equal head. If not head, then turn. I guess nothing. Let's do this immediately. So if not head, just return none. Node current is head, and so while there is a current, I guess each node needs to be connected, and I don't care about the random at the moment. Or should I spawn? Well, I can spawn two nodes, but if it's in set, then I'll use that one. Let's follow that kind of the logic. So current node will be node of next node is equal none. Okay, and I'll just take value, which is current dot value. And I will spawn random node also. So rand node is, well, if current dot random exists, then random node is equal node of current dot random dot value. And I will also put nodes dot add node. So if I can make new one, but what will it be exactly the copy? Let me think about it. Well, it kind of won't be. And our values are not unique, that's not nice. Hmm. Okay, this is not that easy. But what's my problem? In one pass, I could just generate all the nodes, and then I would need to connect them to random. Well, I could check where they are connected, but since there is 10 to the 4 nodes, no, that's not valid. Okay, there are not many nodes. There are 1,000 nodes, so I could for each node or could I? I could do n squared also for the nodes. Well, maybe I should do that. Yeah, I think I'll do that. So flag will be equal true. So if flag is equal false and head 2 is equal, well, it will be equal nodes. Okay. Yeah, then I don't need node set. I can do with the node list, and then I append nodes. And actually, I don't even need then this flag part, because I will just return in the end nodes of 0. So while current, I build a node current value. Okay, I can do previous is equal none. If there is a previous, then previous dot next is equal this new node. So this part goes here. So I built all those connections, and if exists random, yeah, I'm gonna do that. R index I'll call it R index. So if current random, then I'll store the index of the random. Can I do that? Well, I can. How can I do it fast? Well, I can search index. Return index of 3, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me see if this returns 2. It should. What? Int object. Okay. Okay, so it's 0, 1, 2. That's good. Okay, so if not head return none, blah blah blah. Nodes. Well, I can do all nodes. So while current all nodes dot append original nodes append current, and I do this. If random, I don't care about it now. And now I do again current is equal head. And now I have to go index is equal 0. So while current. So while current, if current dot random, if it's something, I need to get the index of it. So random index is equal onodes dot index of onodes of, or not in that, but current dot random. So I have this index, and now I have to do nodes of my index dot random is equal nodes of Ri, and that's it. Okay, current, I don't need even current then. While index is that's it. So then I can do for index actually in range length of elements. So I don't complicate it. So first is 0 if all nodes of index dot random exists, then I find the index. Then I find the index of it, and I put it. I don't need to spawn the node, I just need to put it here, and that's it. I guess this should work. this, so all nodes append current node is node current value. If previous next is node. If previous exists, previous next is this new node, and previous is equal node, nodes append nodes, current next. Okay. Bit of silly mistakes, but made it working. Was there any follow-up? No follow-up. Yeah, I think n squared is decent here. I'm not sure if you can do better. Maybe. So space complexity of n, time complexity of n squared. Let's just check that. Cannot. But yeah, I think that's pretty fair solution. Okay, that's all I got for this one. If you have any questions, leave them in comments. I appreciate you for following, and see you in the next video.